Hey everyone, it's Gagan here and you guys are welcome at Inside Diggers. Well, I know it's been a while since I posted any video, but we were busy shifting to our new house. That is why I couldn't post anything. Trust me on that, it is such a big task if you are shifting from one locality to another. If you have to shift from one city to another, then obviously you will carry your all belongings at once. And if you're like me, you're shifting from one locality to another, so it's just like it's not too far away, we'll get it later. And it takes a lot of energy and a lot of time. Never do that. So without any further delay, let's just start the video. As you guys must have read the title, it is going to be an unboxing video. So I am ready with my first package and knife. Let's see what I got in the first packet. Oh god. So the first book I can see is The Magic Mindset by Preeti Shenoy. Well, I just thought it would be a good read. Other than that, there is no particular reason to pick this book up. Do let me know if you guys have read this book. Do you guys like it or not? And the next book is Who Moved My Chase? Oh my god, I so damn wanted to read this book. This was in my list for a long. Now I got it. I'll be reading this soon. And the last book in this package is Vice and Otherwise by Sudha Murthy. Love Sudha Murthy, ma'am. Her writing style is so simple and so profound. I mean, I wanted to read all of her books. So yeah, this is also in TBR list. And the next packet, let's see what I got in this. Who Will Cry When You Die by Robin Sharma. Well, this was a little blunder. According to me, I have ordered Superhero Manifesto by Robin Sharma, but after a few days when I was checking the updates of my order, I got to know I have ordered this. So I just thought let it come. Next package. It Ends With Us by Colin Hoover. Oh my god, look at the cover of this book. I mean, I don't know about the book, but I am in love with the cover of this book. It is so hyped everywhere. I just wanted to read this, but I just love the cover. Last package of the day. Let's see what we got in this. Eat That Frog and Think and Grow Rich. Well, these two books are for my cousin. She's not a reader, but she is building a habit of reading, so these are for her. And the last book of the day is You Can Win. I have heard a lot about this book. Many of my friends were saying to read this, so here it is. I hope you like this short and quick unboxing video, and thank you so much for watching.